everyone, SPLA Man is here. I'm sitting with my dog Lucy today. Hopefully everybody's having a good day and hopefully everyone's new year is kicked off to a good start. What we're going to talk about today is ELP. It stands for Effective Licensing Position. It's another acronym, but here we are talking about Microsoft. What do you expect? An ELP is basically an outcome of a SAM engagement, so Software Asset Management. You maybe have heard that term. And SAM is basically the process. It's basically like a business process of going in and collecting information within your data center environment. But the ELP report is basically that. It's a report or what was collected out of that SAM engagement. So it provides you information on, okay, what's installed, how many assets as far as servers are out there, what does your overall position look like from a licensing side. It'll say, okay, well, how many Windows licenses did you purchase versus how many have you actually installed? So it provides you some data. And then what you do with that data is you use it as business intelligence. Because I always say, look, if you're not licensing something correctly, it also means as a service provider, you're not charging your customers correctly either. So forget about just the audits. Usually you should look at a SAM engagement or an ELP report as a proactive approach to finding out what's actually happening within your data center. And that's really where Octopus Cloud can come in. We have our own solution, our own platform that will actually collect the information. And then we also have a team that will actually go in and analyze what's installed so you can have that ELP report at your fingertips, so to speak. So again, it's a more proactive engagement rather than just saying, hey, I'm going through an audit, now I need an ELP report. I suggest you do this ahead of time. And again, it's business intelligence into what's happening inside your data center. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today. Hopefully everybody's staying safe and look forward to our next video segment. Talk to you guys later.